Hey fish friends, today let's visit the beautiful place called Nisargadam Exotic Fish Park. So let's go! Okay guys, so this is the entrance of Exotic Fish Park and it's a beautiful place and there's a beautiful water theme here. So let's go inside and check out what all fish they have. So let's go in guys. Yo! So let's begin guys. These are colorful zebrodanios and with a beautiful rock setup and it looks really well and a waterfall and these are beautiful colorful fish. So the next one is iridescent shark. They grow very big and they require a huge tank. So in this you can see a black fish which is sleeping. These are called black ghost fish. They are usually active at night and they sleep at day when the light is on. So the next one is a beautiful colorful Vidotetra with a beautiful setup. And the next white fish is called Kissing Gourami. They have a unique name because of their act. And the next fish is tiger barb. These are aggressive fish. They are also called fin nippers. They are a schooling fish. They should be kept with aggressive fish only. And the next one is a beautiful arowana with a beautiful football based setup. They look very beautiful and they grow huge. And the next fish is koi fish. These fish are called pond fish because they are better suited for ponds rather than aquarium. And the next one is albino tinfoil bird. These are in groups and they are active. And the next one is alligator gar, huge monster fish. These require at least 12 to 10 feet aquarium and they grow very huge and they are very aggressive in nature. And here you can see a beautiful planted setup with the snowfall and you can see surface tetras. These are beautiful planted tag fish. Eel fish. Here you can see a lot of hiding spots. This is for eel fish and in the background you can see a flower on fish. And you can see another beautiful bridge setup. You can see a lot of platies, guppies and swordtails. These are all small and planted tank fish. You can see a broken ship tank with lot of tinfoil barbs here. And here you can see a red-tailed catfish. These are aggressive in nature and they are a monster fish. These are normally unique fish. You don't find it anywhere. These are called Chinese shark and they grow huge. Another monster fish called Channa Baraka. They grow very huge and they require a huge aquarium. Here you can see a beautiful setup with guppies and a beautiful background. It looks really beautiful here. Another beautiful setup with bamboos here, bamboo plants. And do comment the name of this fish in the comment box. And you can see a colorful parrots here with beautiful setup. These are hybrids. We don't find these in nature. They look very beautiful. This tank looks interesting with lot of platies and swordtails here. next one is American cichlid called Green Terror. These are very beautiful with orange dorsal fin. And the next one is a beautiful setup here with lot of piranhas, and they are very aggressive in nature. And the next setup is a beautiful setup with lot of black angels. These look very beautiful in this. And the next one is a beautiful fish called gourami fish. There are different types of gourami fish in this, and they look very beautiful in planted tank. And the next fish is a tetra type, which is called bucktooth tetra, and they look very beautiful in this tank. And the next one is the different types of swordtails, platies in this. And the next one is African and American cichlids. You look lot of Salvini fishes in this, which is basically American cichlids. And the next one is planted tank with lot of neon tetras in this. They look very beautiful in planted tank. Okay guys, that's it. Do visit this place and do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Okay guys, thank you for watching this.